Hey, welcome back to my channel. This is going to be the second vegan recipe I'm making, and I'm going to be making vegan okra soup. To start off, I'm going to be chopping my okra in 3 different ways, and that gives the soup texture. So it's not just slimy all the way through. You have like chewy parts and, just different textures. So I've washed and cleaned my okra. I'll be chopping the first one into thin circular slices, and the second one will just be roughly chopped, while the third one will be blended, and that gives the soup the thick and slimy consistency. I'm going to be using mushrooms and tofu as the meat substitutes for the okra soup. Just like the egusi soup I made earlier, if you haven't watched that, please go check it out. I'll be frying my tofu, which I've already seasoned with onion powder and salt. I'll just be frying this till I get a golden brown color. And you can also bake them if you don't want to fry it. It's up to you. If you're still watching, please hit that subscribe button. I post new videos every week. Now it's time to cook. So I'll be pouring some palm oil into my pot and just lightly heat it up. I'll go ahead and add my onions and fry for a little bit. Then add my locust beans and fry for a couple more minutes. I'll go ahead and add my pepper mix. This is just a blend of scotch bonnets, bell peppers and onions. So after blending this, I just boiled it down to reduce the moisture so that when I'm frying it, it doesn't take too long to cook. Then I'll be adding some salt. If you have vegetable stock cubes, you can add that as well. I'll also be grating 1 clove of garlic and a bit of ginger to give it more flavor. Now that the stew is fried, it's time to add the mushrooms. So I'm going to add that and just fry for a couple minutes. Then go ahead and add the tofu. The stew is ready, and I'll be adding the blended and roughly chopped okra. I'll just stir it for a while and go ahead and add the thinly sliced one. After that, I'll be adding some water and allowing it to cook for about 8 to 10 minutes. And that's it, your okra soup is ready. This next part is totally optional, but I turned off the heat and added spinach and chopped peppers to it. This just, gives it more flavor and a good color. You can try this out if you're on a plant-based diet or you just want to cut out meat and try other options. I think this is worth giving a try. Please share this video if you like it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Till next time, bye.